When you receive the machine, please take it apart and inspect it as soon as possible. Then connect the wiring and plug in the air pipe. Then power test, check footing contacts. The rubber wheel can leave the ground. Then we check the height of the machine drop. Probably according to the height of the product to develop. Now let's go back to the screen. Click Online Mode and wait for the machine to return automatically. This parameter is used to control the speed of the device. This stop click once and the whole device moves. The two sets of data above refer to that after the electronic eye shines on the object. It waits for the set time to issue the command to make the cylinder work. Of course, the same applies to the latter set of electronic eyes. The following set of 0.30 data corresponds to the action time when the electric eye hits the object after the cylinder from push to retract time. The larger the number, the longer and slower the movement. Let's go back to the front of the machine and check the installation of the blade. Can't get too close to the central conveyor belt and not too close to the left and right board. Then check that the platen is slightly higher than the bread. Be sure to stop the machine and press the emergency stop button before placing your hand in the machine. Then we open the shield of the machine. Adjust the knife distance. After checking, we turn the handle to adjust the peeling thickness. Once the shield is back in place, we can put it in the coaster for testing.